Hello everyone and welcome back to Mrudul's physics videos, where we create and test beautiful projects that use the principles of physics to operate. Last time you guys joined me with the physics of basketball, and then joined Samuel and I with the physics of the mousetrap car. Today I've partnered with the amazing Samuel again, and we'll be discussing the physics concepts of gravitational fields and magnetism. Using these concepts, we've created a project that involves a copper wire that spins using a battery and a magnet. Before I get into our actual process, let's talk about some of the physics behind this project and how it actually works. The basic principle behind this motor is electromagnetic induction, which is the generation of an electrical current by a changing magnetic field. The three key components in the motor are the battery, the copper coil, as well as the magnet. The battery provides a direct source of energy, and in this case it's electrical energy. The copper wire is coiled and sanded on both sides so that it acts as a conductor for the electrical current flow. The magnet is placed optimally close to the wire so that when the wire is spinning, it interacts with the magnetic field caused by the magnet. Using the right-hand rule, the direction of current induces a magnetic field around the coil which interacts with the magnetic field of the stationary magnet, resulting in a force on the coil, which in turn causes it to spin. Finally, the momentum of the spinning coil helps keep it in motion and keep spinning. Now let's get into our actual motor and the process that we ended up going through while building it. So our first trial was in class, and we immediately found 3 problems that needed fixing. Those 3 things that we needed to troubleshoot were:
So our first issue we found was actually with the wire itself. There's a lot of places where the insulation has worn off. And then our second issue is actually the size. We used a bottle cap, which makes it a lot bigger than it should be. And number 3 is actually the paper clips that are holding the thing. So right here, this is what we had initially. So we don't want to use this bottom portion. We actually want to use something like this. And we can achieve that at the bottom by, instead of just going 180, we just go 360 all the way. So we'll make those changes and we'll come back to our block.
One more thing we also improved was actually the straightness or alignment of the ends of the coil so that there's less instability when the coil is spinning. After making these 4 changes, we noticed an immediate and dramatic improvement in our motor. Not only was the motor now spinning consistently, but it was also spinning much faster than we originally had. We found major success through making these improvements, and although we only reached 1600 RPM during our first trial, we continued to make our motor better by keeping our paper clips more stable, keeping our battery fresh, and also tightening the coil and straightening its ends. Finally, in our final product, we were able to reach an astonishing RPM of just under 4000 rotations per minute. We reached 3800 RPM.
So this is our updated version, right?
So anyways, that wraps up today's video about gravitational fields and magnetism. This motor project was definitely very enjoyable, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.